What's the meaning of coloring? Coloring. Coloring.
Coloring. Coloring. Coloring refers to the process of adding color to something, such as a drawing, picture, or object. The result of coloring can range from a simple addition of one color to a complex creation involving multiple colors and shading techniques. The purpose of coloring is often to enhance the visual appeal of the subject and convey certain emotions or messages. Professional artists, graphic designers, and hobbyists alike use coloring as a means of creative expression and communication. Ultimately, the result of coloring is a transformed and enriched image that evokes a particular mood or atmosphere.